Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. All government departments will have to display their name boards in Konkani and Marathi within 3 months. Chief Secretary issues circular, Official Language Department to monitor implementation. MP Francisco Sardin drops a shocker, says mining package to Goa a bleak possibility. Country under financial crunch, can't expect more help. UPA on reboot, inducts 8 new faces as cabinet ministers on Monday. Oscar Fernandez and Sisra Mola make comeback in the cabinet. Agwada jail inmate complains of physical assault by jailer. Children's Court in Panji directs IG prisons to investigate. Vacate stay on animal import. Present law does not bar import. Goa Mid Complex pleads before the High Court. Hearing to continue on Tuesday. And Ritviz Parab and Aishwarya Thorat win state under-15 chess title. Top players to represent Goa at national championships. Now the news in detail. Now it will be mandatory for all government departments to display their name boards of offices in Konkani as well as Marathi. Chief Secretary has issued a circular to implement this order within 3 months. Official Language Department will regularly follow up this matter. Government has also prescribed the color scheme for the name boards of the departments.
मुखेल सचिवान एक परिपत्रक जारी केला जाचे वरवीं गोंय राज्यांतल्या सगळ्या सरकारी कार्यालयांचे तकटे तसेच जी आस्थापना आसात महामंडळां आसात आणि 100% सरकारी अनुदान घेवपी ज्यो संस्था आसा सोसायटी आसा ह्या सगळ्यांनी आपले नांवांचे तकटे कोंकणी आनी मराठी ह्या 2 भाशांनी करप सक्तीचे आसा इंग्लिशी बरोबर आनी ताज्या खातीर मुख्य सचिवांनी 3 म्हयन्याचो काळ दिल्लो आसा. ह्या 3 म्हयन्याच्या काळांत सगळे तकटे त्या भायर सगळी चिन्हां तातूंत रस्त्यावयली चिन्हां आसात, बसींची चिन्हां आसूं येता वा कार्यालयांतली चिन्हां आसात, ही सगळी चिन्हां तांची नांवां ही कोंकणी आनी मराठीन येवप सक्तीचें जातलें, अनिवार्य आसा. आमचे संचालनालय ह्या संदर्भांत आतां एक टीम तयार करतली निरीक्षकांची आनी ही निरीक्षकांची टीम सरकारी कार्यालयांनी, आस्थापनांनी, सोसायटींनी, महामंडळांनी भोंवतली आनी त्या संदर्भांत ज्यो आमकां सुचोवण्यो आसा त्यो सुचोवण्यो आमी सरकाराक करतले आनी हाची कारवाई जाता काय ना हें पळोवपाची जबाबदारी ह्या संचालनालयाची आसा. हे तकटे तयार करता आसतना सरकारान ह्या तकट्यांचो रंग आनी ताची मांडावळ लेगीत सांगिल्ली आसा की निळ्या रंगाचो तांकां बॅकग्रावंड आसतलो आनी धव्या रंगान ही ठळकपणान अक्षरां दिसपाक जाय अशे पद्दतीन ती बरोवची पडटली. त्याच बरोबर ती मांडटा आसतना सुरवेक राजभाशा कोंकणी म्हणून पयलें, ताज्या उपरांत मराठी आनी सकल निमाणें इंग्लीश अशे पद्दतीन हाजी मांडावळ आसपाक जाय. ज्या आस्थापनांक, महामंडळांक, खात्यांक वा वेगवेगळ्या विभागांक जर अणकाराच्या संदर्भांत कांय अडचणी आसात जाल्यार तांणी राजभाशा संचालनालया कडेन संपर्क सादचो अशें ह्या परिपत्रकांत म्हणलां आमी.
Country is facing economic crisis. There are less chances of Goa getting a special package for mining dependents. This shocker comes from South Goa MP Francisco Sardin. A delegation led by the Chief Minister had met the PM last week and pressed for a special package for the mining dependents in the state on the backdrop of mining ban in the state. Sardin had witnessed this meeting.
When all party meeting जासिल्ले हांवूय गेलो कित्याक गोंयांत कितें मेळटा Sardin सदां फावरा. आतां तें प्रायम मिनिस्टर घाल्लें आसा पूण तें जातलें जायना
तुम्ही किती प्रयत्न करतले
पळय जालें हें दुसरी पार्टी पूण कितें जाता रायट नाव द कंट्री इज इन बॅड शेप. आमचो रुपी देंवल्लो आसा, पयशांची गरज आसा, देखून हांव सोंपेपणी सांगना की पॅकेज जातली म्हूण पूण जाल्यार पुरो म्हूण आमी मागता.
A delegation led by the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had met the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh last week.
They had demanded a special package for the mining-dependent people in the state. Sardina was also present during the visit. PM assured that he would discuss the issue with the Finance Minister P. Chidambaram. PM's assurance did not sound concrete. MP Sardin's statement now has made it clear. He says, Centre is not in a position to give packages. A reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
While NDA is shrinking, UPA is on the reboot mode for the forthcoming Lok Sabha poll. 8 new faces were sworn in the Union Council of Ministers. Sisram Ola and Oscar Fernandez have made a re-entry in the Union Cabinet after a gap of 4 years. 2 senior ministers, C.P. Joshi and Ajay Makhen, had resigned over the weekend following directives from the party.
Congress is on the energizing mode ahead of Lok Sabha poll. On Sunday, Congress revamped its 21-member Central Working Committee headed by AICC President Sonia Gandhi. Now, the cabinet rejig on Monday. Party has inducted 8 new faces into the Union Council of Ministers, with Sisram Ola and Oscar Fernandez making a re-entry after a gap of 4 years. Mr. Ola, along with Girija Vyas and K.S. Rao, has been inducted as cabinet ministers. These are Ministers of State: Manik Rao Govt, Santosh Chaudhary, J.D. Seelam, E.M.S. Nachiyappan. 8 ministers sworn in Union Cabinet are Mr. Oscar Fernandez as Road and Highways Minister, Vyas as Housing, Urban Development and Poverty Alleviation Minister, Mr. K.S. Rao as Textiles Minister, Mr. Sisram Ola as Labour and Employment Minister, Mr. Seelam as Minister of State for Finance, Mr. Nachiyappan as Minister for State for Commerce and Industry, Mr. Govt as Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment, Santosh Chaudhary as Health and Family Welfare Minister. With the new inductions, the strength of the Council of Ministers goes up to 77. The expansion cum reshuffle of the Council of Ministers has been necessitated by the exit of ministers from DMK as well as resignation from Pawan Kumar Bansal, Ashwini Kumar, Ajay Makhan and C.P. Joshi. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.